At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. The Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency is probing the deportation to Jamaica of a man claiming to be a United States citizen of a different name. The man said to be Devon Nicely says he is not Jamaican and his given name is Trevor Anthony Grant. He arrived from the United States on a chartered flight to Jamaica last Thursday. My wisdom warriors are from when this man come out, a protest, the man say he is not Jamaican, you understand? So if the man is not Jamaican, where the backside they send the man come to Jamaica for? When they pick up the man and send the man come to Jamaica for? Something right about this, Something in a something, my people. Something in a something, because how could they make such a mistake? So when they must send him to Jamaica, he never tell them say man a Jamaican. He must tell them say he is not Jamaican. He must tell them that. So what went wrong? I believe there's more to this story, my people. I believe there's more to this story. So may I go update you guys when more information come out. Hear this. Workers employed to the National Commercial Bank are reportedly restive and have warned that there could be major disruptions at the bank. Rotted hole. The more than 2,000 employees represented by the NCB Staff Association wore black on Monday as a sign of protest over failed wage negotiations. Hear them no bow now wear black. Come on, uno too. Uno work in a bank and bow now wear black. Uno go up on the road go protest. But una wear black. So una mean to tell me say una still at work and I wear black? Una go up on the road go protest, make everybody know. My wisdom warriors, una remember when me come out here and me tell una say, me see it in the Trinidad news. Say this man the owner for this a bank, yeah. Hey, I feel selling things them little by little because some money vibe go wrong. Listen, me have to talk like this, because I don't want a problem. My people, take a look at this. Leaching falls short on final $8 million note payment. A company controlled by Michael Leaching, who is the chairman of NCB Financial Group, has failed to make the final payment of $8 million plus interest on a 2-year note, which was due yesterday, August 30, sources close to the issue told Guardian Media. On Thursday, the sources said Leaching controlled Portland, Barbados Limited wire transfer $2 million to Republic Bank's Wealth Management Division, which serves as the trustee of Note, and proposed a new repayment schedule which would extend the final payment to the week ending September 20, 2024. The people, you see when Trinidad paper put it out, you can't stay there. It come like a man did want to sue them. Me say it come like the man did want to sue them just because the people didn't talk about it. Between me and Uno, the Jamaica media, they never cover it, No, so they pass it. Remember, somebody did come and talk about it. Remember good. And me did even cuss and say, how nationwide now run with this. Remember good, no Jamaica? According to The Guardian, the sources also said Mr. Leaching offered to meet with the note holders next week. Leaching wrote to the trustee on August 13, requesting a 15-day extension from August 15 to 30 to make the final payment of $8 million, which was due on August 15. The sources said Leaching told the trustee that the request for the 15-day extension was necessary because the funding arrangement to make the payment of $8 million plus interest had been delayed until the end of August. The August 15 payment was part of an agreement put in place by the note holders, the trustee and Leaching on May 9 following the Jamaican-born businessman failing to make the previous final bullet payment on the note on April 30, 2024. It has also come to my attention that Michael Leachin now owns less than 50% of NCB Financial Group after issuing 77 million new shares. My wisdom warriors, this is a man I have to sell out in sitting them because he in a debt. Well, according to the paper and me say so, there's allegations out there. You understand me? The Observer did bring it across after everything did done. You get me? So when we out there telling us say you know, make no money stay underneath on the bed, nobody nothing know say underneath there. Because a whole heap of people money gone missing, you know, out of the NCB bank, you know. Whole heap of money gone missing from NCB Bank, and all know when I hear the people them say they did get back their money. If people them will come out and ball out, all know they not get back their money. And see what me I tell you now, they are one on for a long time. But now look at this now. Look at this. The workers them restive. The workers they not get pay. Workers they not get good pay. And you know wonder why the workers not get good pay? Workers might as well not go somewhere else. You hear me? Might as well not left and go somewhere else. Might as well. And for all of the customer them, you better not take out no money out of that there bank there. That's all me have to tell you now. Anyway, my people, General Secretary of the governing Jamaica Labour Party, Dr. Horace Chang, says the party is in election mode. Speaking at a party meeting in Rock River, Clarendon on Sunday evening, Dr. Chang indicated that the JLP will be ramping up campaigning activities over the coming weeks. Hear them know about campaigning activities. He appear by them buy out the people them. Wanna hear me? Wanna see him come out and talk about JLP is in election mode? Peer by them a buy out the Jamaican people. Peer by them a buy out the people. But are the people have to know, you know. Are the people them have to know if they want to take them money. You understand? And go vote for them. Or if you not going to name them out and vote for PNP. But for telling you the truth, it better you not take their money. It better you not take their money. But then again, who is me for telling you what to do for and what not to do? You understand? But you see, if you don't want good, Uno knows have to run. That's all me have to say to Uno. The police have launched an investigation into the suspected murder of 68-year-old Paul Lloyd of Saltram in Gale, St. Mary. The Jamaica Labour Party Secretariat has recommended former Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams to replace Mike Henry as party standard bearer in Clarendon Central ahead of the next general election. My wisdom warriors, look who them a put on a Clarendon. Look who them a put down a Clarendon. Look who them a put down a Clarendon. Mr. 88 million and 33 million unaccounted for over KSAMC. This a money, I know. This a money. This a money we shouldn't resign because 33 million stolen, 88 million stolen. I mean, I hear Marlon talk about that. Every day they get up and talk about Andrew Mayor. Every day they get up and talk about Mayor Swaby. Every day the little liar boy get up and talk about Mayor Swaby. And no report no come out, you know. Not a report come out say Mr. Swaby stolen money. No report. And them just a run with it with them mouth. Them just a run with it. No investigation now go on down a KSAMC for them something there. None. Marlon is lying. Marlon is lying. Uno na see Abka den send out few days ago. Fi ask Smoker. Fi go investigate. Uno na follow what go on Jamaica. Uno na follow what go on. At this mania, then fi send go prison for the money. Delroy Williams. So then pick up gone down a Clarendon. Clarendon people, listen to Atta for the press. I want thief. Then send come the Congo, big thief. You understand me? Big thief. Remember, say him to do over KSAMC. He was the mayor and he not do nothing for Kingston and St. Andrew. Nothing at all he not do for them. So Clarendon people, don't be fooled. This man a come buy you out. Let me tell you no. Let me warn you no. This man a come with the whole heap of money. Remember you know? World Bank just give them 192 million US dollars. That sound like a election money to me. That's why you see them a hype and a go on. And let me tell you now, something Jamaica. Let me warn you know. You see, the Jamaica Labour Party is the most deadliest party. Let me tell you that. They're dangerous. Don't. Let me warn you the PNP massive. You see, if you don't know, say, you not plan to take the money and vote for them, don't do it. You see, if you don't love on the life, if you don't love on the life, hey, me I warn you know, don't take them money. Them very, very dangerous. Them very, very dangerous. And if you don't see what going all over, look out on the eye. Look out on the eye. Me I warn you know. You understand? Don't be fooled by their money. Don't make these people come around and trick you and give you 150,000. Because guess what? Me hearing up on the grapevine. So them a come do some kind of price thing or some giveaway 50,000. So me hear stuff from the grapevine. So me hear my wisdom warriors. So them have whole heap of money, you know. They have whole heap of money. You see, I'll burial money where they give to the people and the whole of the charity money and them money them are going to use for buy you out. But let me tell you something. If you want good for yourself and good for Jamaica, do not take their money. Don't sell your soul. Don't sell your soul, Jamaica. Me I beg you know. Don't sell your soul because you same one are going to suffer. Don't sell your soul. Do the right thing for yourself, for your children's future, and for Jamaica. Do what is right. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.